The top 3 reasons why you should be replacing your hot water heater. Reason number 1, when you start seeing your faucets turning brown, literally, groundwater. What I mean by that, usually it's because there's a lot of scaling built up inside the actual hot water heater, and you cannot get inside physically to the hot water heater, and you cannot clean it, you cannot remove it. So that is gonna be a reason why you should replace your hot water, because we don't wanna, take a bath in brown water. Reason number 2 is that you have inconsistency of hot water, meaning sometimes it gets hot, sometimes it gets cold, or it goes from cold to really hot. You're not getting proper heat transfer. Typically that tells you there's a lot of scaling inside the tank, and that's the number 1 reason why you should change it, because you don't want to have any inconsistent hot water, especially when you're taking a shower, you know what I mean? Especially in the winter. And the 3rd reason, which is the main reason, is the life expectancy of a hot water heater. Most people don't know this, but the average lifespan of a hot water heater is mostly around 6 to 10 years. No more than that. I mean, yes, some people do get lucky and they last anywhere between 12 to 15, but on the most part, I would say between 6 to 10 years is pretty much the life expectancy of any given hot water heater. Those are the top 3 reasons, but if you need Louis the Boiler Man, you know the call. Louis the Boiler Man, 516-377-5200. Hvac.